Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Time for another beer review. And this time we're looking at America's oldest brewery, Yuengling, and their Black and Tan Porter and Premium Beer. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Yuengling Black and Tan. I've had this before, but I know I never did a review on it. Now, when winter comes, I usually like a darker beer. In the summer, I like a lighter beer, and I actually drink less in the summer because I got so much more to do, like yard work and home improvements, and well, you get the idea. But in the winter, I like a darker beer. I drink a little bit more. So, if you're going to be drinking, enjoy it. Now, this varies in price where you go, but I guess you probably pay around $10 on average for a six-pack. And I really haven't seen these out at the clubs or bars at all. Go ahead, open it up. Maybe. There we go. And yeah, they're twist tops, but well, I got a bottle opener. I'm going to use it. Now, when it comes to the color, I'd say it's almost like a root beer color. I don't know if you can see the bubbles in it or not. But it's not like a Guinness stout. Now, a traditional Black and Tan, when I make it, I like to use Bass Ale, fill a glass about halfway full, then take Guinness stout and dump on top. I'm not quite sure exactly what they're using, but they're mixing it together. A nice Black and Tan, you can actually see the dividing lines from the darker beer to the lighter beer. This is just kind of mix all together and call it Black and Tan. Go ahead, give it a little taste. Oh. Yeah, that's good. It's not as good as your traditional Black and Tan, but the beer has a modest taste. It doesn't foam up real bad. It has a hint of baker's chocolate. When I say baker's chocolate, like the unsweetened chocolate, gives you a little bit of a bitter taste. Like a Hershey bar, you get a chocolate Hershey bar, that's sweetened chocolate. Baker's chocolate, it's a little bit different. It has a mild hoppy undertone to it. So if you like a real hoppy beer, this ain't gonna be for you. If you don't like a hint of unsweetened chocolate, this ain't gonna be the beer for you. If you don't like dark beer, it ain't gonna be the beer for you. And if you're watching calories, it ain't gonna be the beer for you. But if you like a nice, mild, dark beer, Guinness is a class above this. And that's actually a dark beer. This is what I would consider a mild, dark beer. You figure if you pay $10 for it, you're paying less than $2 a beer for it, which ain't bad, because if you go out to the bar, I guarantee you're gonna pay more than $2 a beer. So with all that said, overall rating, like I said, I drank this before. I know I never did a review on it. I haven't seen a lot of reviews on it, so I thought I'd do a review on it. But for the price, the taste, I think the taste would be a little more bolder when you call it a Black and Tan. So let's take off half point for that. Depending on what you pay for it, I mean, if you see this in the store for $20, leave it. If you see it for $10, yeah, it's worth it. $12, yeah. So I can't really take off point for the price because I don't know what everybody's paying for it in different areas. Because, I mean, I'm sure coming from PA, it's going to cost more if you're buying it out in California. So overall, I might give this, it could have a little more of a black taste to it, like Guinness Stout, but for the price, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Okay, if you ever had this before, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.